In this video, we will learn how to build a gas monitoring system using a gas sensor. So the components required here are obviously a gas sensor, some resistors, a buzzer, an RGB LED to give us the color according to the position, a breadboard, an LCD swing fan adapter I2C, an Arduino, a breadboard, and of course, some jumper wires. Okay, very good. So to build this circuit, we're gonna to look at the freezing circuit that we have already built here and make the same things with our real hardware components. Okay, are you ready? So let's go and start right now. First of all, the first thing that we need to do is to put a component on our breadboard. We're gonna start with the RGB LED here. Okay, I will put it on the breadboard like this. Okay, and after putting the RGB LED on the breadboard, so we need to put some resistor. As you can see here on the freezing circuit, we need to put some resistor and connect them to uh, the different pins of the RGB LED according to the color. Okay, don't matter the resistor and the resistor. It doesn't depend uh, at the first time. It doesn't depend on the color. So the first thing that we need to do is is uh, is to put is to connect a resistor to the red pin of the RGB LED. Okay, let's go for that. This is the red pin. Okay, the next pin is one is the green pin here, as you can see. So connect a resistor to the green pin. And finally, we need to connect the blue pin here. Okay, very good. So this is the blue pin. Very good. Let me see it. Perfect. Very good. Okay. And now we need to connect every jumper wires to the appropriate, let's say, digital pin of the Arduino. Okay. So the red pin here, as you can see here, this is the red pin. Let me show you closely how it looks like. Okay. Can you see it? Very good. Okay. So this is the red pin. As you can see here, the red pin is connected to digital pin number 9 of the Arduino on the freezing. So this is digital pin number 9 of the Arduino. Let me show you again more closely. This is connected to digital pin number 9. We're going to do the same things with the, let's say, with a green pin and also with a red pin. Okay, so the green pin is here. You have the green pin is connected to digital pin number 10 of the Arduino. So this is digital pin number 10. And finally, the blue pin here is connected to digital pin number 11 of the Arduino. This is the blue pin. It is connected to digital pin number 11 of the Arduino. Perfect. Okay, I think don't forget the GND pin here of the RGB LED. We need to connect this. So uh this is the GND pin of the RGB LED. This middle pin here, just after the red pin, it is connected to the GND of the circuit. Let me show you more closely. Can you see it? Perfect. Very good. Okay. So we have done with the RGB LED, and let's move on with what with buzzer. So let's put the buzzer. Here you have two legs. This is the negative pin and this is the positive pin. Okay, but I will put the positive pin on my right hand. So I will start here. The positive pin I will put it on my right hand. Very good. And one pin of the buzzer is connected to the GND. And the next pin of the buzzer is connected to what? This is the next pin of the buzzer. It is connected to the generator pin number 8 of the Arduino. This is connected to generator pin number let's say 8 of the Arduino. Okay. After dealing with a buzzer, let's move on with now. Let's manage what? Let's manage our gas sensor. Uh, okay. So the gas sensor here has four legs, as you can see here. This is the GND, the VCC, V0, and this is connected to the analog pin A0 of the Arduino. So let's put both the GND and the VC on the VCC on the breadboard. This is the GND pin. Let's connect it to the circuit. This is the positive pin, and this is what? This is V0. Let me put it on the breadboard like this. And this is also V0. Sorry, this is A0. Okay, can you see it? This is the circuit. So I will take two jumper wires for this color and also for this color. This is the V0 and this is also A0. So this color is connected to what? This is connected to, let's say, to the digital pin. This is connected to digital pin 2 of the Arduino. Okay, this is digital pin number 2 of the Arduino. Let me show you more closely. And the last pin of the sensor is connected to what? It's connected to the analog pin A0 of the Arduino. Okay, here you have. Perfect. And the next things that we need to connect, I think, I think that the sensor is now ready. Everything are already set up correctly. Okay, so now we need to move on with the LCD screen with adapter I2C. Okay, as you can see here, this is the GND, this is 5 volts, this is A4, and finally A5. Okay, so this is the GND that we need to connect here, and after that, this is also sorry, sorry, this is GND. Don't do any mistake here, otherwise, so circuit will not work properly. And again, what we need to do is very simple. This is this pin we need to connect one. The SDA is connected to what? To the analog pin A0, A4, sorry. The SDA the SDA is connected to analog pin A4 of the Arduino. And this is analog pin A4 of the Arduino. And finally, the SCL is connected to the analog pin A5 of the Arduino. Okay, perfect, very good. I think we have connected all the components here. We have already connected the buzzer, the screen, the RGB LED, the gas sensor, and what else? Okay, obviously we need to put the GND on the circuit and also 5 volt on the circuit. So this is connected to the breadboard, and also this is also connected to the breadboard. We need to do the same thing here. If you want the circuit to work properly, okay, so this is connected to, let's say, to the GND. This is the GND. Okay, and after that what we need is a 5 volt. This is connected to 5 volts. Okay, and we need to take 5 volts and the GND from this side of the breadboard to the other side of the breadboard, so that every part of the other side, the GND and the 5 volt of the breadboard should be connected properly, so that uh, everywhere that you put your GND or your 5 volt, it should be it should work properly. Okay, let's go. This is 5 volt. Sorry, this is the GND. Here you have, and it's connected to the other side of the other GND of the breadboard, and we need to do the same thing with the 5 volt. Here you have, it is connected to 5 volt of the breadboard. Very good. And I think that the circuit is now ready. Okay, we need to plug the Arduino to verify that, to make sure that our LCD our LCD screen turn on when we plug in the Arduino or the Arduino. Let's plug in. Perfect. As you can see here, the the LCD screen is turned on, and we need to move on now with the code. As you can see here, the circuit is now ready, and we need to upload the code in the circuit so that it will work. And I will show you again uh, of my screen and how the circuits work. Well, so this is the code. Don't worry, I will show you how it works, and I will put the code in the comment section, also in the descriptions of this video. But we need to do two things at first. Let's verify that there is any mistake on the code, so we need to verify this code. Let's verify it. Okay, clean. As you can see here, uh, here on the terminal, there is any mistake. Let's upload the code so that you can run smoothly on the Arduino. Okay, let's run the code. Perfect, perfect. Okay, so here um you can see that the air is clean and the gas is currently at around, let's say, 30, is between 45 to 48. This indicates that the air is currently clean. So, and as you can see here, let me show you. The RGB LED is green. This means that there is any issue with the R. There is there is a there is no operation in the R, and the LED is currently green. But uh if the R is polluted, you're gonna see that this will change, and also the color of the RGB LED will also change. Okay, so let me show you something so that we can see it together. Okay, pay attention to the RGB LED color. We do something. Okay, I'm giving a bar to a sensor so that we can measure another range of values of the gas uh, in the sensor pin so that we can see that the RGB LED will change, the color of the RGB LED will change from red to green for green to red, and we're gonna see the whole difference that I'm talking about. Okay, very good. Let's give a bad to the sensor. Mm, nothing is happening. Let's do it. Let's do it again. Maybe it will change again this time. Okay. So again, pay attention to the color of the RGB LED, and also don't forget to wait the screen. Okay. So let's wait a few seconds and we'll try again later. Okay. I think that it doesn't want to work. But let me explain you. If you move your circuit or your sensor from an air clean uh, area to the polluted area, let's say currently I'm at home, but if I move it outside the home, let's say on the road where there are too much vehicles, you're gonna see gas pollution, and also uh, the the factory that working pollution also will affect our circuit, and the color here will change from green to red, and also the value of the gas will also change. Okay, but what will happen here is that we have three states here. Let me explain you. We have three states. So the first state is that uh the it is green when the air is clean. When air is clean, it will turn to blue when the air is is not very clean, when air is not very clean, but not, and also not very polluted. And it will tend to where when the air is fully polluted. Okay, very good. Sorry. So this is the threshold of the air pollution. If we we are if you are if you bypass this value of the threshold, then the RGB LED will turn to red, and also on the screen we're gonna to wait politics. Okay, very good. Okay, let me show you the whole course. And don't worry, as I told you, I will put it on the comment section. I will put it in the comment section so that you can copy and paste it as well as you want, and also to modify the code on your own purpose. Okay, can you see it? Let me come again. Okay, very good. So that's all for this video and for this course. I hope that you enjoy. Don't forget to to give me don't forget to like, to subscribe, and also to share to your friends or to everyone that you know who want to learn electronics via Arduino, and also who want to learn how to use sensor to build real projects in their life. This project also can be built in the engineering school so that uh, like a practical homework or even if whatever you want. But don't forget to give, to like, to subscribe, and also to share to your friends. Thank you very much for this tutorial, and also see you in the next courses. Thank you very much. Goodbye.